Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are continuing our SQL journey. So, where we reach actually? So, basic aggregate function, we complete queries quality and percentage monthly transaction. So, we are going to the medium ones right now. Monthly transaction. Write an SQL query ID, country, state, amount, transaction date. Okay. Write an SQL query to find each month and country, the number of transactions and their total amount, the number of approved transactions and their total amount. So the response will be, the result will be like this: ID, country, state, amount, transaction date, and it should be based on this based on the state. Okay, the state is like approved or something, approved decline. So you need to group by approved decline, and also you need to add you. So each find for each month country the number of transactions. So probably the month of transaction input transaction table. So this is the input table. So you have different IDs, country, status, and the output should be months total. So 2018 total, this one, like that. Transaction count, approved, transaction count, approved count, amount. That's the last one. So okay, so we can go to the solution. So as usual, I am going to take the schema. Then we can monthly transaction. Okay, let me copy all of this. Okay, here copy everything. Let me move my workbench a little bit bigger. Okay, since I didn't have any transaction table, unknown column ID in field list. Okay, so probably I have another transaction table. So drop table transactions. So right now it's fine. Then we need to go to our query. So query is a little bit complicated since it is since it is since it is a medium difficulty problem. There is some difficulties. So let me copy the solution and we can discuss it. We can discuss that solution. That's the best approach, I guess. I'm not gonna. Okay, so month and country. Okay, so that's a group by. So this was the doubt we have. What I will do in this scenario. So you need to go back to your question again. So Write an SQL query to find for each month and country the number of transactions and their total amount, the number of approved transactions. Okay, so basically you need all these things based on country and month. The remaining is like an aggregate, separate. Month and country is the two two fields that will separate our data. The other things you need to have separate column: approved count, transaction count. So here you can see month. What is that month? So group by month and country. So did I mention month somewhere? No. So yeah, it is here. So this was a transaction date. You need to take the month from the date. So let me check there is any month function in SQL that will return month of a day. So there is some functions. So let me copy something. So if you run this one, you can see the month of this one is this one. And in our case, what will be the data? This was the data. Let's see whether we can take out month from here. We can get month from here. Probably that's the best way of, say, like 1 is 2. Okay, so basically we cannot do that. So let me check my SQL take month from date separated by hyphen. How to get month? So here also they are saying like this is the only solution. This is the solution they are putting forward. That's the exact one I got from another source. So basically it's that's the only way we can do that. Otherwise you need to replace or something like that. But I don't know that's gonna work in this scenario. I'm not seeing anywhere that kind of things. So let me run this. This is probably some other service, but it is fine. So extract also an option. Select extract month from this one. So month from, so you need to use extract. You cannot do like this. Month from, that's only possible if you are using extract. So otherwise these things will not work. It's not available at this position. Select month from is not available. So you can choose this one or this one, whatever, whatever it may be, um, and your date field and what are the things you need: the year and the month. So date format. So you need to formatting the date, then the country, then count, transaction count, some if approved is equal to 1, otherwise it's 0. Okay, so some if state is approved, you are adding that amount, otherwise it's 0. So basically it's all easy thing. So let's see whether we can get the result here. We can see our result. So the month 2018 12, 2019 01, 2019 01, different country and approved and total one. So only thing that matters is here the month, how you are finding the month from the date format. So that's the only thing. The other things are basically fine. And group by month and country, that's also you need to have an idea. And if statement, probably that's also a thing. If you need to know if statement in MySQL if statement. So there is some solution here, some sources here. So you can see select if 5,500 less than 1,000, yes or no. Okay, so that's the thing. Oh, okay. Okay then. Yeah, we can try this in our solution column and let's see whether it's gonna give us the correct answer. Then we can wrap up this session, and in future we will do, not future, in next video we will do the next medium complicated problem. Okay, so these things accepted, so we are fine. Only took 129 milliseconds, so we are not bad. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.